Let's check the answers. We already have A, B, and C because we did that together. Next one, D. Is it a turn? No. If it's wrong, it's okay. You can just write the correct answer. Slide. Next one is a flip. Turn. Turn. Slide. Oop, not a slide, it's a flip. Turn, flip, and slide. If you got most of it correct, great job. You are ready to go on to the next page. Next page is very similar. It's almost the same. Different pictures. Make sure you write slide, flip, or turn, and go all the way to L. Before I stop the video, I'll explain what to do on the next page so we can check answers for both pages after this video. Next page, also very similar, but you have 3 different pictures after the first one. Here's the first picture. Here's the first picture. You have to tell that this one is a turn. This one to this one is a slide. And this one to this one is a flip. Let's try one together. We'll try B together. First one, is it a slide, flip, or a turn? There you go. Is it a slide, flip, or is it a turn? We know this is a slide, so you will write slide. Second one, it's not a slide, we used that already. Is it a turn? Nope. Is it a flip? Yes. So we will write flip. And the last one, it's not a slide, it's not a flip, it is a turn. You can keep working until H, and then we will check answers together.